morning guys. Ito guys, oh. Morning ma. Morning Mr. B. Try no time fishing guys. Yesterday Monday. Monday, lucky Monday guys. Honest to your goodness guys. Kaya yung spot na ito guys, hindi naman to ano to guys eh. Kasi I don't know, but honest to you guys, I cannot explain that for this guys. Somebody said ay papatiri yung catching, especially in the post office, my friend there. Kasi trying, but he follow my style to trying catching. It's not the same. I don't know about that guys, but you try everything guys. Kaya dito naman tayo, mag-try naman tayo dito ngayon sa Monday, Tuesday. What we got today, right? This tsaga lang guys. Okay, this na tayo guys. I love you guys. Good morning at Tuesday guys. Na guys, first cast natin. Mama, you're the one man. Malaking mama ulit guys, oh. Laki. Sus, ginuho guys. May kasama pang lililug yata ito guys. Oop, come on. Slowly guys. Oop. Yun. Grabe. Dito ka mama. Yan guys, oh. Grabe naman to. Mas malaki pa ito sa nakuha natin kahapon guys. Guys, oh. I love you mama. Good morning mama. Good morning ma. Good morning Mr. B. This is the biggest I catching today guys. Grabe, super laki nito. Continuous natin guys. First catch natin to. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Yun si hihangkod. The big size to. Yung sa atin guys, oh. Nagsulong video yung ano ko guys eh. Sana yun? Uy, black ulit guys, oh. Yun, oh. Come on, ma. Yun, guys. Come on. Yeah. At least nag-continuous guys. Kataluan na agad tayo, oh. Yung isa, oh. Kaya ito lang, continuous lang. Ito. Sana yun. English yun. Slowly lang guys. According to the Guam, Papa Jerry. Yeah, slowly lang. Oop. Guys, slowly lang. Oop. There. Slowly but rock. Yun ang guys sinasabi ko guys. Sabi nga Guam, Papa Jerry, how to catch this maputi? Slow but surely. Right? Continuous lang guys. Guys, oh, lakas ni mama guys. Come on mama. Ayan guys, oh. Come on mama. Laki ni mama ulit guys, oh. Grabe. Madalang guys ang kagat, pero okay kasi ang lalaki yung kumakagat guys eh. Over cellphone guys. Contest natin guys. Nakalima na yata tayo. Ilang hanggang maagaga pa. Yeah, so the three mama in the land. Yeah. And this is the mama in the sea. Guys, another one. Come on. Yeah. Mama. There guys. Yun. Grabe yung lalaki ng ano dito guys. Talagang ma-enjoy ka talaga sa catching the mama in the sea. You know mo. Yesterday is not a big size. Like a regular size. I catching some, but this time all is a big mama guys. Yun ang papadyaray. Yun guys Yun guys grabe super din lalaki dito guys. Ha? Nakailan tayo dyan? Baka may 5 na guys. Hindi makita. Kaya panibago ulit lalaki yan guys. Over na sa cellphone ko na yan. Continuous natin this Monday. Monday, Tuesday, today guys. Ito naman guys kahit nakaupo na tayo guys. Guys mama. Guys laki pa rin guys. Super nga guys. Kutisan natin to guys. I don't know what kind of fish this one guys, but I think like very strong. I'm thinking maybe malakapas or what. Talakitok guys. Yeah. Makakawala pa guys. Kunin ko na Beautiful guys. Ating laban nito guys sana yun. Mama. Guys, hindi si mama sa gilid grabe guys. Malaking mama guys. Hirap tayo guys. Ayun grabe. Yung mama natin dyan. Linisan natin yung timba natin guys. Grabe laki. Guys ko alam kung maputi ito. Maputi guys. Guys si Manu walas daw sa kuha guys. Si doon catching guys. Si Papa Diorig only guys catching for this time. Kutisan tayo guys. Pagpagatas mama. Guys my wife already call me again guys. Disturbing wife guys. Maybe change the wife. Ayun guys si mama na nag-change natin guys. Ayun si mama pa. No calling. Only biting. Ayun right. My wife again. Yesterday calling too much. Calling to go home. Already 8:30. It's okay guys. After this one guys, deliver to San Antonio this one. That's customer. According to my wife already calling. You wait. Woohoo. Guys ako may Diyos ko po, may talakitok pa guys. Huwag siya nakagatin. Ayun na guys. Yan din si mama. Ang laki naman guys mama. Guys ang laki. Yun. Nadali natin guys. Laki. Maghintay yung customer. Itulan niya. Guys yung isa hindi natin binidyoan guys. Continuous natin guys. When you sit down Continuous biting guys, oh. Oh, it's a big size mamaging guys. See, look, wow. Oh, see, there, see. Oh! Oh God. Shit. Guys, nakawala yung natin si Manong niyo, no? Umuli ng ng ii. Nakawala yung laking puti natin, guys. Oh, pinalitan man ng malaki. Mas malaki to, oh. Tapitan natin, guys. Sayang. Nakupyansa tayo dun, guys. Hindi so. Oop. 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 Yun. Ganun din kalaki yung nakakawala natin, guys. Sayang. Hallelujah. Continuous lang natin, guys. Si Manong continuous yung huli ng ii. Guys, umuulan. Mukhang ulan pa. Kaya paspas din, guys, oh. Kaya mama, kat na to, guys, oh. Laki kasi. Grabe si Papa Jerry, guys. Blessing talaga. Continuous lang. Alright, guys. Ito na nahuli natin, no? Ganda pa ng laki ng sayuri natin, taba, guys. Kaya ito naman. Ngayon, may customer tayo nito, guys. I-deliver ko ito ngayon sa kanila. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung mga ilang pounds to. Okay, guys. At least, ito ngayon nahuli natin sa umaga nito. Kahapon, may din. Kaya bukas ulit, guys. Contest natin bukas. Right? Thank you for watching, guys. God bless, guys. I love you, mama. I love you, guys. And I love you, mama Indes, guys. See you soon. Alright.